Hey guys, Michael with Mealy Marine, and today we're going to be working on this Vexus 1980. It's just going to be a real simple install, just a Mega Live. So the Mega Live has not shown up yet, but we're going to go get ahead and get everything prepped for it. Going to try to do this as most economical as we can and try to get this banged out. We got a high school kid who's got a tournament coming up, so we need to get this done. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I've got everything kind of taken out, ready to go. We got the back of the plug taken out. We got the fuse panel ready to go. I've already gone ahead and I've labeled this. I need to kind of trim it up. I got my fuses, I got my labels. I don't know what size I'm gonna need, so I got that. Everything else is taken off. So really, we're pretty close to being ready to go. I think I'm gonna be able to fit it through here. I might not. If I do, I'll have to go through here, but I don't want to drill that hole unless I need to. So that's it for right now. Once Mega Live shows up, hopefully it gets here soon, and we'll be able to get this knocked out. Alrighty, so we're kind of at a natural stopping point here. We got the Mega Live installed, just nice and clean. This is nothing crazy, right? Like, pretty much everybody's doing this. But, you know, we just try to keep it nice and clean. Make it look good. Everything looks good. I do need to kind of tidy up in here, but I should be done with this, right? But sometimes when customers call, they say, hey, like, I want a Mega Live installed, you know, how much? You know, and I give them an estimate. But, you know, sometimes I can ask a customer, do you have a network hub? Do you have this? Do you have that? And most of the time they don't know. We ran into the problem. If you run Humminbirds, you'll know this. They only have one network port. Mega Live uses that network port. So I called the customer and said, hey, here's your options. Cheapest option is I just disconnect the network cable that connects the console and bow graph and plug in Mega Live, or I order you a hub and we install a hub. So he's like, let's just go ahead and do the hub. So that's what we are going to do. I'm gonna just verify one more time, make sure that there's no extra hub in here anywhere, which I don't know why there would be. So I'm gonna just look up under here real quick, make sure we don't have anything, and yeah. So that's it for right now. We'll check back, probably be tomorrow, and install that network hub. And I'm telling you, we are working away. We are working away. Look at all these boats. So yeah, very blessed, and very hot. Outrageously hot. So yeah, we're gonna check if there's a network hub, and then we'll check back later. Alrighty guys, so just got the first Vexus done. I'm getting ready to leave, just a half day here on Saturday. Just a, you know, simple little installation of some Mega Live, and also getting the Ethernet box installed, which is up under here. I need a vacuum and stuff still, but all Ethernet cables are color coded. So there's black, which is the console, yellow is Mega Live, and then white is this bow graph. So, and the hub is labeled as well, so he should be able to figure it out if he has any issues. Update the graphs to the newest software update in Mega Live to its highest update. So that's it, another one done. Looking back, what could I have improved on? Definitely could have improved on getting all the parts I needed, you know, being sure to ask those questions. Do you have a hub? Yes, no, sort of thing. So I could have had those here and been able to knock this out. Probably could knock this out in an hour or so. Other thing is I needed a network cable. Saturday, not a lot of places were open early enough. So went and got a Ethernet cable. You would think I would have that kind of stuff in stock, but I don't. Just a note to self, maybe keep a couple different lengths of networking cables for each graph company, and be able to, you know, knock these out quicker. So this is done. On to that one over there. That's for another day. If I had had that Ethernet cable, I would have gotten done with this a lot quicker, and then I would have been able to finish that boat over there. But now it's time for me. I gotta go home. My 2 sons have a birthday party. 2 of my sons are going to a birthday party. The youngest one's staying home with me. So I gotta go hang out with that big dog, and I don't know, sit on the couch and watch a movie with them or something. Maybe just chase each other around. He really likes to chase people. So that's it. I hope you guys liked it. Until next time, bye.